red color. The next one is blue color, yellow color, black color, green color. The last one is yellow ochre color, and now we draw alphabets. First we use red color. Kids, now we draw capital letter alphabets. A for apple. Now we draw B. The next one is C. We again use red color. C for cow. Now we draw the letter of D. D for dog. The next one is E. E for elephant. Kids, now we use blue color and draw the letter of F. Now we use blue color. F for fish. The next one is G. Now we draw the letter of G. G for goat. We again use blue color, and now we draw H. The next one is I. Now we draw the letter of I. Yellow color. Kids, now we draw J. And the next one is K. K for kite. Now we draw L. And the next one is M. M for moon. We again use yellow color, and now we draw N. N for nose. Now we use black color and draw the letter of O. O for orange. The next one is P. P for penguin. Now we draw Q. Q for queen. And the next one is R. R for rose. We again use black color, and now we draw S. The next one is T. Kids, now we draw U. U for umbrella. Now we use green color. The next one is V. V for vanilla. The next one is W. W for wolf. Kids, now we draw X. And the next one is Y. Now we draw Z. Z for zoo, Z for zebra. Kids, now we draw numbers. First we use yellow ochre color. And now we draw the number of 1. First we draw the number of 1. O-N-E, 1. And the next one is 2. T-W-O. The next one is 3. And now we draw the number of 4. The next one is 5. We again use yellow ochre color. Kids, now we use again red color. The number of 6. The next one is 7. And now we draw the number of 8. The next one is 9. Now we draw 10.
Red color, red color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. black color, black color, green color, green color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring numbers. Kids first draw 1, the numbers of 1, and use red color. O-N-E 1, 2, T-W-O 2, and again use red color. Kids now draw 3, the numbers of 3, and use blue color. Blue color. T-H-R-W 3. Kids now draw 4, the numbers of 4. F-O-U-R 4. Kids now draw 5, the numbers of 5, and use yellow color. Yellow color. F-I-V-E 5. Kids now draw 6, the numbers of 6. S-I-X 6. Kids now draw 7, the numbers of 7, and use black color. Black color. S-E-V-E and 7. Kids now draw 8, the numbers of 8. E-I-G-H-T 8, and again use black color. It's now draw 9, the numbers of 9, and use green color. Green color. N-I-N-E 9. Kids again use green color and draw 10, the numbers of 10. T-E and 10. Kids now draw 11, the numbers of 11, and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 12, the numbers of 12. Kids today draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Kids class name. Blue color, blue color, red color, red color, yellow color, yellow color, black color, black color, green color, green color, yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane, and use blue color. B. B for ball, B for bat, the alphabets of B, and again use blue color. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car, the alphabets of C, and again use red color. D. D for dog, D for doll, the alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant, and use yellow color. Yellow color, the alphabets of E. Kids now draw F. F for fish, F for fan, and again use yellow color. Kids now draw G. G for God, G for grapes, and use black color. Black color, the alphabets of G. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids now draw I. I for ice, I for ice cream, and use green color. green color. The alphabets of I. Kids and I draw J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. And again use green color. Kids and I draw K. K for kite, K for king. And use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. Kids and I draw L. L for lion, L for lemon. And again use yellow ochre color. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets, numbers and shapes. Kids first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. And use red color, red color. The alphabets of A. Kids now draw B. B for ball, B for bat. And use yellow color, yellow color. The alphabets of B. Kids now draw C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. And use black color, black color. Kids now draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. And use green color, green color. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use blue color, blue color. Kids now draw numbers and first draw 1. The numbers of 1. And use red color, red color. O N E 1. Kids now draw 2. The numbers of 2. And use yellow color, yellow color. T W O 2. Kids now draw 3. The numbers of 3. And use black color, black color. T H R W 3. Kids now draw 4. The numbers of 4. And use green color, green color. F O U R 4. Kids now draw 5. The numbers of 5. And use blue color, blue color. F I V E 5. Kids now draw shapes and first draw square. The shape of square. And use red color, red color. Kids, neither circle the shape of circle and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids, neither triangle the shape of triangle and use black color. Black color. Kids, neither heart the shape of heart and use green color. Green color. Kids, lastly draw star the shape of star and use blue color. Blue color. Kids, today we draw A, B, C, D, E numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes square, circle, triangle, heart and star. A is for apple. B is for ball. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for egg. F is for fish. G is for God. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for joker. K is for king. L is for lion. M is for moon. N is for nose. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for teacher. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for watch. X is for X-ray. Y is for yak. Z is for zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.